Hello everyone, today I will share my experience about joining course in a Coursera, and I take a introduction to Microsoft Excel, and I will break down using PRAM ICC model 2021. Okay, the first one, from introduction to Microsoft Excel using PyRAM 2021. In an ICC model or in an intercultural communicative competence model, it have number one is attitudes, number two is knowledge, and number three is skill of interpreting and relating. Number four is skill of discovery and interaction, and number five is a critical cultural awareness. And the first one is attitudes. Found in a material, the Excel course encourage learners to be open to exploring new software function, and then engage actively with step-by-step tutorials, and then cultivate a willingness to try, fail, and try again when using Excel, and then reflect on how Excel can improve their personal productivity. Although this course is technical, it's create a welcoming atmosphere for diverse learners. And from Byram perspective, attitudes refer to openness, curiosity, and readiness to suspend disbelief about other cultures. And it is the course for foster intellectual curiosity, a foundational trait to intercultural engagement, and through not explicitly cultural, the willingness to learn Excel reflects on openness to global professional tools and norms, and then this mindset can be transferred to other intercultural learning contexts. And next is a knowledge in a material that the course covers key topics such as a basic spreadsheet navigation, data entry and formatting, and then formula and function such as sum average, and then sorting and filtering data. This knowledge equips learners with digital literacy skills that are applicable in global setting. And according to Byram, a framework, knowledge involves understanding social groups, practice, and products. While cultural content is absent, the course teaches knowledge that culturally transferable, and then Excel is globally recognized tool, is used in diverse professional environment, and learners are prepared to function in multicultural workplace using shared digital tools. And next is a skill of interpreting and relating. Uh, in a in these learners are trained to read and interpret data in different formats, and then analyze how data can be presented more clearly, and then use charts and tables to relate numerical data to real-world application. This ability involves understanding and making sense of information, a cognitive skill relevant to intercultural contents. In an ICC model, these skills involve interpreting documents or events from another culture and relating them to one's own. This course emphasizes on understanding and reformatting data parallels this concept. Although not cultural, these skills train the learners to mediate between different modes of understanding and transferable interculturally ability. And next is a skill of discovery interaction. This course encourages learners to explore Excel functional independently, and then apply knowledge through hands-on exercise, and then discover solution through trial and error, and then ask questions in community forum. This activity supports autonomous and interactive learning. And according to Byram, this skill refers to discovering new cultural practice and engaging with them. So the learners develop digital autonomy and adaptability, similar to curiosity needed in intercultural situation. and they practice engaging with unfamiliar content and problem solving, fostering cognitive flexibility. And next is a critical cultural awareness. In component largely absent in the Excel course is no explicit discussion of culture, values, and perspective or ethics, and then focus on in entirely on technical proficiency. And then example is generic and not culturally embedded. And in a ICC context or Byron model, this is ability to critically evaluate perspective, practice, and products. So this element is not integrated into a course. A more inclusive design might incorporate global datasets or discuss how Excel is used in various culture or social contexts, and then its absent highlight a missed opportunity to engage learners in a critical reflection. So, reflection for personal impact. In my opinion, uh, my attitude became more open towards learning new technologies, and I gained transferable skills that support multicultural teamwork. And I realized that importance of designing educational content that includes diverse cultural perspective even in a technical field.